Let's explore 6 cryptocurrencies that could potentially lead to some gains in the upcoming weeks here in the blockchain markets. We can see very bullish here at the moment. We've got extreme greed in the markets once again, and Bitcoin has indeed bounced back up to the $70,000 plus region. So this is absolutely amazing. Good recovery here on the month, and we could perhaps even see $80,000 very soon. Now, before we look at these 6 tokens, I just want to quickly dig into some very key news as well. London Stock Exchange set to list crypto ETPs for first time. The LSE said in March it would accept applications for Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange traded products in the second quarter after the FCA adjusted its stance on such products. It says here Invesco's product prospectus was also approved by the FCA. The listings follow the first approvals by FCA since it relaxed its stance on crypto ETPs, having banned them in 2020. So Wisdom Tree, based in New York, won the approval to list its physical Bitcoin, which is BTCW, and physical Ethereum ETPs, which it expects to start trading on May 28th. So lots of bullish things coming here. Look, you can see approval in the UK comes several months after the January green light for spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds in the US. Similar products have been trading in various European jurisdictions for several years. So this is, of course, a big bullish news here for cryptocurrency. Also want to stay out here, guys, because it's no lie, they are cracking down with regulations on exchanges. For example, if you're using MEXC right now, we already know it's not USA friendly, but they are implementing a mandatory KYC on June 30. So if I were maybe you, which I've already done, I'm moving funds to KSEX, a new exchange out there with zero need to KYC. You can withdraw up to 15 Bitcoin per day without KYCing, and the link is very much just down below. So if you're preempting this big move, you know, which is going to affect a load of people, millions of people on the market, it could be time to start moving your blockchain goods over to this exchange here. I've got a link down below, and if you sign up for that one, guys, it means you will get more bonuses upon trading. And overall, this is a really pretty exchange, a great UI and UX, very similar to MEXC. Like I say, no need of KYC, and this one is Canada and America friendly. So what a great start, and it's really nice to see new exchanges emerging following the bureaucracy that we are seeing basically around decentralized cryptocurrency. So let's talk about it. Crypto right now on the week is looking strong. On the day, a little bit of mixed emotions. We've got a myriad of red. We've got a bit of green as well splashing around, but Bitcoin is strong, and overall Bitcoin carries the market. Look at that market cap, $1.384 trillion. If you're new here, ladies and gents, subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe if you want to hit your crypto goals this coming bull market. So coin number 1 is going to be, on this occasion, I know this isn't for everyone, meme coins are not for everyone, but Pepe just recently hit that price discovery. It went into a price discovery phase. If you watched my video yesterday, you would hopefully now be up a good 20% on your money, where we broke out of this symmetrical triangle. So yeah, great thing to see from yesterday. Broke through that resistance. We're actually up quite a bit, more than I expected for Pepe, and right now I still think there could potentially be some continuation here. So actually we saw a 28% pump for Pepe coin. Congratulations if you got in and watched that video yesterday. If you want to trade Pepe, the KSEX link is down below. And you can see right now it is forming a bit of a descending channel, but we can actually see there's a lot of buyback at that 125 region. So if we can close this green again, I even think that we could see some more upward momentum for Pepe coin. The next target I have kind of in mind for Pepe, the frog right now, especially with memes looking so strong, is around the 0.00015 region. So if we do get more bullish continuation, we're looking at roughly another 13% move to the upside. Of course, we're not looking at a 10x right here, but this could potentially, you know, quantify in some sort of results and gains. Of course, we can still lose support and come back down to the lower threshold here. We do have quite a bit of support written in now at this new region here at 0.00012. So coin number 1 will indeed be Pepe the Frog. It's looking strong, $5.59 billion, and I do think Pepe can still do a 3 to 5x from here at the current price levels, you know, through to the very top. So I don't think we've seen anything really yet for what can happen very soon in these markets when they really do pick up. Coin number 2 2 is going to be Solana. $181 for Solana at the moment. We can see on the month it's picking up again, very bullish from $125 swing low here up to $181, and the bulls are looking strong. From an on-chain data perspective, we can see the TVL is still sitting very strong here as well for Solana at $5 billion. Again, big TVL, and what we can also see here are the fee generation. The generation of fees, they did actually swoop down when retailers lost a bit of interest, when meme coins went down, but we're slowly seeing that the fees generated across the chain climbing back up, which could be an indication of more people using the chain, more dApps emerging and launching as well. So Solana, I do think we can see a big all-time high here. The perfect area to get in was, of course, back in 2022, and the previous all-time high was indeed $250. So we are yet to retest $250 plus, but I really think Solana will do it. I think Solana will see between $350 and $600 at the peak of the bull run. So yes, it's not a 10x, but it could be a good 3 to 4x opportunity in the markets. If you want to grab any Solana today, you can do it KYC with my KSEX link down below. Get signed up and trade the anonymous way if you wish to. So Solana, for sure, feeling bullish. You know, we've had a really good run here for Solana, and looking at the daily time frame, we've indeed had a cool off period when actually we can see just here in April we hit that 30 on the RSI period. So when we reached that 30 on the RSI, actually happened a couple times where we just kind of touched down to these oversold regions on the relative strength index. That was your buy time, like your big buy. Right now we can see reflection of a bullish rally. So fingers crossed we can get some price continuation. Really want to see $200 blasted back through before we can start feeling super bullish for Solana. Coin number 3 will be Stacks. You know, BRC20. This ecosystem right here is relatively low in market capitalization. It was recently valued at 5 billion. It has actually corrected down to the 3 billion region. So I do think we can get a solid recovery for this coin at some point in the near future. $2 at the moment for this. It says activate the Bitcoin economy with the leading Bitcoin layer 2. So just looking at the price action of Stacks, it's indeed hit a euphoric $3.86 recently. But when we look at the price action, look at the correction, it corrected 50%. So effectively, if you're buying down at these lower regions, it kind of feels like, you know, from the euphoria that we had back here from sort of October through to February, you're now seeing the inverse. You're buying up the fear. And it's, in my opinion, buying the fear is so much better than buying the greed. It doesn't matter what type of market you're in. This will always allow you to be kind of one position up on FOMO buyers and most retailers that do buy in early. And this is one giant falling wedge in my opinion, and we could see a humongous pump to the upside. I'd be speculating at least 30, maybe even 50, 65, 70% gains in the upcoming months. As we come out of this phase, we should see a big pump soon. So I will absolutely be stacking up on Stacks just based on what I believe here for this coin. I think we're nowhere near the top of the bull run. So for that reason, I'm going to buy some more Stacks, absolutely. Coin number 4 will be Dogeverse. This is a meme coin in pre-sale phase. They have not yet launched. The reason I'm putting it right here is because they will list in literally the next week or two, and one Dogeverse is just $0.00031, over $15 million raised. It puts it in a low market cap gem category. Now you can buy Dogeverse across 6 different chains, which makes this very bullish. And also there's only 200 billion tokens that will exist based off of their tokenomics here. No inflation, and that's of course good because you don't want to see that like heavy token dilution. And also exchanges wise, they're looking at doing decentralized exchange, but also centralized exchanges too, which should be really big. Dogeverse recently creeped up 20,000 plus followers here, so we're seeing a reflection of solid community growth and culture. So check out Dogeverse down below if you wish to grab some of this 10x potential meme coin. Do remember, this is not financial advice. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Coin number 5 will be Fifthscape. If you like AI, AR and virtual reality, this could be a coin for you. Right now, the price is 0.00327. You can see their listing price at the top of the website is hitting 0.01, which is going to be around a 3x from where you're buying in right now if you do get the token. It says your gateway to the next big thing of the decade, world's first AR and VR ecosystem that connects the smartest minds together. You're going to see VR movies, VR games, VR education, VR devices. And here we can see some active and recent wallet buys and transactions. So they raised $6 million at $6.25 million. I believe that could be the pre-sale, moving into the next stage, the next price, which will be going up once again. So if you want to grab the lower prices, make sure you get in at the lower stages as well, which makes the most sense. 5.21 billion total supply, a $15 million market cap listing. 10x takes this one to $150 million. So do have a little research, do your own due diligence, check out this coin if you fancy a little bit of a high risk, high reward opportunity in this crypto market. And you can see their team is indeed here as well. Team is always important because it reflects a KYC environment where there is transparency and trust between the end user and of course the developer as well, the product developers. So that's Fifthscape, looking pretty good. 16k followers. It says unlock the unparalleled gaming adventures at Fifthscape, where virtual reality meets limitless imagination, immerse, play, and redefine reality. Coin number 6 will be Sai. I don't know how you say it, but I love this token. I love it. I love it. I love it. I bought some around the 0.40 area here. I really wish I could have got some down at 10 cents when I was, I should have just aped in here at 10 cents, but I didn't, unfortunately. However, this coin has hit already over $1, and I think it will happen again. A $1.6 billion market capitalization. We are in the red still, and this coin has, in my opinion, a ton of potential. Looking at the price structure, you can see from this corrective wave here to this swing high, where we've just kind of launched from 0.5 up to a recent swing of 0.6. We're down a little bit from that particular impulse, so it has corrected around 10%, but we can see that we're just bouncing off that 0.618 Fibonacci. Now if this proves to be a falling wedge pattern, which is effectively a bullish reversal pattern, we could potentially see a big move for Sacoin to the upside, putting it around to the sort of 0.57 region. But I think we can see more. I think we can see better from this. I think we can honestly see like the 1.618 and the 2.6 Fibonacci reach, and if that does happen, you're looking at roughly a 20% pump to the upside. So again, if you want to buy Sacoin, CaseX or MEXC, links are down below for you to do so and get trading. Of course, CaseX for me makes the most sense right now because of the KYC limitations with MEXC at the moment. So do prepare because it's happening soon, and that's something you need to keep in mind. But overall, guys, there's 6 coins. We've got Pepe, Solana, we've also got Stacks, we've got Dogeverse, we've got Fifthscape, and lastly Sacoin. These are 6 coins I think could do pretty well. And guys, if you're looking for trading signals and you really want to grow your crypto portfolio, check out the Crypto Legend package down below. We've also got some more budget-friendly Patreon packages for you guys. If you want to start earning more money in the crypto markets and access trading signals, early alpha calls, have over 10 technical analysts send you trading signals every single day, unlock education, an ebook, and tons more, check out my Patreon link right down below. There's over 500 wonderful members already. Thank you so much to all of the existing patrons. And yeah, we've got one of the best crypto discords out here in the markets, and you can find the Discord and the Patreon just down below. So if you do enjoy crypto, if crypto is your go-to, your passion, your hobby, do feel free to check out my Patreon if you want to enhance your journey here in the cryptocurrency space and achieve your crypto goals. Thanks for watching. Stay crypto safe, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay in the know so you don't miss out on the next big things. But if you want to be extra early, extra alpha, and extra exclusive, that Patreon link is right down below. Bye for now.